Hello everyone. By using this module, we can create and Skrill payment method and we can complete payment using the payment method that we have created. Now, after installing this module, we need to get into the website to create an payment method for Skrill. Now, under the configuration tab, you can see and payment providers, and here you can see and Skrill payment. So over here, you can see an Skrill payment method we have created. Now in this we need to add the credentials and we need to enable this, and in the configurations part I have added the journal and also the payment method. Now once the configuration done, let's create a product. So over here we have a bulk of products. Over here this is the only product that I needs to show you how our skill payment will be working. Okay, now let's get into an home page. Shop, we need to search for an storage box. This is the one, and over here you can see and add to the cart option. So let's add this product into the cart. Okay, now I'm processing the checkout. You can see and Skrill payment is available here. Now I'm going to pay now. So it will be redirect us to the pay Skrill page, and where you can see an option to do a payment. Okay, now I'm processing it. Yes. Okay, the payment will be successful. Now let's get back. Now it will take time to processing your payment. Now once the payment process done, now let's get into the editor mode where you can see under the configurations, we can see and payment transactions. Over here, this is the one that we have created. You can see the payment. Okay, and in which sales order it referred to, and amount, payment method, provider, company, created on, and other more informations like customer address, email ID of the customer, and so on. Okay, so now let's get into the order. Over here in the order you can see that payment will be done by using an script payment method, and you can see the history of it. This will be the payment method and you can see the order history. Okay, now the payment will be done by using nscript. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.